Hi guys, let's discuss matrix in Python today. So what exactly is matrix? Matrix is a collection of number in a uh, rectangular way or a rectangular array in rows and columns. So so the numbers are used to be in rectangular array in rows and columns. This is what matrix is all about. So if I ask you to make a make a matrix of 3 in 3 by 3, 3 into 3, okay, and put all the values like n. Put all the values of the matrix would be n. So how will you do it? So first you need to import the NumPy library. NumPy, we will do it using NumPy. Okay. So what exactly is matrix? It's a collection of number in rectangular array in rows and columns. Okay, so what is the total number of rows? We want to have 3 and row number of columns 3. So what we will do, there is a function called numpy dot full. Okay, this is used to create these matrices, and then what we will do, 3 comma 3. Okay, this is how we will represent it, and then we will put another comma, and here we will put the value of the constant. If it is n, then put n. If it is I, put I. Whatever is your requirement, put. So I will take here n. Okay, and then close the brackets, small brackets. This is what I will do. I will also close the bracket. So let's see what exactly it prints. Okay. So this is what it prints. This is the, here is you can see the constant, and you can see that if we go by the definition, what exactly is matrix? Matrix is a collection of number. Okay, it is a collection of number and in a rectangular array. Okay, so this is a rectangular array in rows and columns. This is row. Okay, this is what is rows. Okay, and this is what you can see here. This is if I go like this is column. Okay, so this is how we can make a 3 by 3 matrix and fill the value in using NumPy. So now you can get an idea of what exactly is matrix is and how can you create a matrix using NumPy. This is just a basic things, okay, but you can start from here. So thank you guys for watching this video on matrix, and stay tuned. Please subscribe if you still have not. And thanks again.